So this US 30 analysis for Monday the 14th of May. Now, let's just have a look what happened prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the US 30, we found support in around the 24,510. So had a successful break from which we did hold support at the 24,700, broke above, tested the 24,864, brief pullback down towards that 24,700, and from there we have seen this recovery to break above the 24,864, came pretty close to a test of 25,000, had a brief pullback, and we are seeing a bullish buy side momentum come back into this market. So if we see this momentum follow through to the upside, we're looking for a test of that 25,000 mark. If we do successfully break the 25,000 mark, the levels above that we are looking at would be moves up towards that 25,243, successful break from which we're looking for 25,439 and that 25,600 level here on the US 30. If, however, we do see a breakdown from this 25,000 mark, or 25,101, we're looking for move back down towards our 24,864 to see if it does act as support. Successful break from which we're looking to see 700, 24,700. We had a bit of a consolidation around there to see if it does hold the support. And if we do fail that, we'll be looking for moves down towards that 24,550 here on the US 30. Those are pretty much levels that we are looking at here on the US 30. Let's just have a look here at the monthly chart. Get scale on here correct. And sorry about that. And what we can see here on this monthly chart is pretty clear. We've been a very strong uptrend, had a brief pullback here, found some support. We have not made new lows in a while, and we do appear to be having strong bullish buy side momentum follow through so far. So we've broken above the previous month's highs in and around the 24,860 mark, and from which we are now looking to possibly target the highs of the month prior to that in March, and those highs are in around that 25,512. So maybe within 2 or so trading sessions, or unless we do have a particularly volatile day to the upside, we do appear to be seeing a bit of a recovery here on the US 30. Now, let's just have a look here at the weekly time frame. And over here on this weekly time frame, we can see we have our lows, had previous higher lows, and again we've posted higher lows again. We've had a strong close to the previous week, closing near the highs, and we are seeing that momentum follow through so far this week. So we do see poised to be testing these old sweet highs here in the market before possibly going on to test the all-time highs. But we'll see if we do continue to hold support, and we do continue to see the bullish buy side momentum back above the 25,000 mark. Now we'll head over to the daily chart for wrapping up here on the US 30. And as you can see here on this daily chart, we do have our lows, higher lows, slightly higher lows as well. And we've gone on this extended run, well, this strong run here over the past couple of days or so. Well, several days. We broke above the previous highs here, and we do see poised to go test these prior highs in around that 25,512 mark before looking to test the highs, these highs just here. So we did mention we were in a bit of a price contraction squeeze, and we were expecting a breakout to the upside, and that's pretty much what we saw. Overall, indexes like the US 30 do have a long bias over on the higher time frames, and that's pretty much what we are seeing here. So we did have the price contraction squeeze. We've not had a retest. We've just had a straight breakout, broke above the previous high, so we can break and hold above that. Those highs, we were looking for those 512s to come into focus, and moves up towards possibly that 26,000 mark here on the US 30. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.